This is gonna cost me.
Mamma mia!
Oops. Sorry, guys.
SpongeBob!
Supercut, this video you're in is hilarious.
Don't sneeze.
Classic. I am but a vessel.
This is what happens when you lick your spilled latte off the steering wheel. She did that. She's gross.
Lois, you okay?
Yeah, it's just my allergies. They've been awful. I can't figure out what it is.
Maybe it's Brian. He practically sleeps on top of you. You could be allergic to him.
Hey, here's an idea, Chris. Why don't you mind your own business?
You know, I did read that people can develop allergies to their pets. I mean, Brian, maybe you shouldn't sleep in our bedroom for a little while.
What? Well, then where am I supposed to sleep?
How about in your own apartment, like a grown-up?
Do you have a problem with me, Chris?
Why don't you sleep in Stewie's room? There's plenty of space.
Roomies? Dude, this'll be so ill.
Who are you?
I'll tell you who. Your new roommate.
I'm gonna go take a shower so I can blow my nose into my hands. Damn it! I hate this house.
Morning, honey.
Go to hell.
Yeah.
Hi, Oobi.
Hi, Uma.
Oh, Uma smell?
Uma smell.
Uma smell. Uma smell. Uma. Uma sneeze.
Gesundheit.
Thank you.